Hello and welcome to PDF.co. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use PDF.co to add images and text to your PDF documents. Before you actually perform the steps in this tutorial, you have to make an account with PDF.co as well as with Zapier, and you have to connect Zapier with PDF.co. I have made a video on these topics. The link to that video is provided in the description of this video. You can check it out. So let's begin without an ado. To add text and images to PDF documents using PDF.co, the first step is to go to zapier.com/app/dashboard and click Make a Zap. Here you have to choose the application that will contain your PDF document to which image and text will be added. So simply click any application. I will be selecting Google Drive. So here I have to choose trigger. I want that whenever a new file is uploaded to a folder, I will be able to add text and images to that file. So simply click new file in folder, click continue. Here you have to specify your Google Drive account. Then you have to specify the drive name. And finally you have to specify the folder in which the PDF document will be uploaded. Finally, click the continue button and test your trigger. So this trigger is successful. Next, you have to click continue button. Since we will be using PDF.co application to add text and images to a PDF document, here you have to select PDF.co. In action event, you have to select PDF filer here and then click continue. Here you have to select your PDF.co account. If you are logged into your account will appear here. So click that and click continue. Here you have to add the direct link to PDF file to which you want to add text and images. So we will be adding text and images to this document, and the path to this document is here in the address bar. So simply copy it. You can use your own custom PDF file. I am using this file just for the sake of example. Paste the path here. Next, to add text and images, you have to specify the location of the text and location of the images. So the first entry here is the distance from the x-axis. So I will add 10 here. From the y-axis, 20. You can add any value. And the third argument is the page number. So I'll be adding text to the first page. So I specify 0 here. And next you have to specify the text that you want to add. So I will simply add this is a random text. Similarly, to add image, again you have to specify the distance from the x-axis. I specify 10 here. Next, from the y-axis, I specify 80. And the third argument is the page number. Again, I want to add my image to the first page, so I will add 0 here. And next, you have to add the path to the image that you want to add to your document. So we will be adding this image, this elephant. So I simply right click here and click copy image address. Come back here and paste this here. Here you can add any name, give any name to your output PDF file. So I will write the name output file. And click continue. Here I have to test my trigger or test my zap which I made. So I will click test and review. My zap is successful. Now to see if the text and image that you added is actually added to the file, simply copy and paste this address of the output file, or you can simply right click and select go to this address. And here you can see the text you added, a random text, and the image that you added to your PDF document. The final step is to click turn on zap. So this is it about this tutorial. Thank you for watching.